Alright, we're back, and now we've just a 2012 Forester, same from 2009 to 2013, and now got to change the strut on this puppy. It's bent. Two number 19s right here. One's a big bolt. This top bolt is an alignment bolt. I'll show you guys what that means. I'll grab my hammer. It's got a little bit of a hump right here. So as it turns, it adjusts this in and out. So you might want to mark the bolt back here with the paint on the strut. Oh, well shit, the strut's bent. You can't. After you change the strut, you're gonna have to take this thing and get it aligned, or else it's gonna eat up your tires. I like to put the bolt back together so I know where it came from. Tap that out. See, it's stuck. Take a little tiny screwdriver and you put it in there and just tap out the bolt. See, this one's just a regular bolt. It's not a alignment bolt. So after you take that out, got the ABS brake line. What I recommend you do before you take these two bolts out in the future, take this bolt out first so you don't stretch this ABS brake sensor. You'll break it and then you'll be needing a new one. And you can just take its number 12. Geez, nothing wants to come apart today. I got the luxury of taking bolts out with that gun a lot. And then you got a brake line over here. So go ahead and take this brake line out. 12 out. It's number 12 on this side. Just leave this thing loose like this on that side. Take this bolt out from over here off the sensor. The sensor will, come loose like this. These two bolts are identical, almost. They could be flip-flop. The only difference is tapered ends, not tapered end, but they're the same length. They're the same 12s. They will work. Go back in the same spots. If you care to know exactly where they go, just put them in here and leave them in there, or put them in the way you know which one's which. Maybe on the ground, a right and the left. So since that's loose, these two bolts are loose. This strut's pretty damn loose. That's some bolts up top you gotta take out. There's 3 number 12s. We bring it down. Now, after you loosen everything from the bottom, up here you got 3 12s. It should come up pretty easy. I usually take the back 2 off first. And then this one is gonna drop that, so you can probably use your hand to hold the strut. Put it down and come down here. The strut is now loose, and just give it a little. Be careful not to damage this, but it will slide out. Look at that! Look how bent it is. Here's the new used strut. We sell at SSP. It's about 80 bucks, 100 bucks. See the difference, how it's bent? This is off of 2013. This is off of 2012. It's the exact same strut. We're gonna go ahead and put this one back in.